I wanted to add a little bit of texture into my crochet and knitted projects. A quick disclaimer here. I received this product free to review. I thought that having beads in my crochet knitting projects will be a great idea, and this kit will do the work. Let's see what's inside. Look at all the beads that are there. Alphabet beads, numbers, some pearls. Look at all these colors, some silver and some golds, and of course spacers, all the jump rings and claws to make jewelry immediately. There's some fishing line and stretchy elastic here for bracelets. Look at these charms, stars, hearts, and it looks like a starfish here. How pretty is that? And it comes in a nice sturdy box. You have the primary colors and then all these in between. I have so many ideas. We can make necklaces, earrings, anklets, bracelets. That's a definitely good choice to jump into making all different type of crafts. Put them on your crochet and knit projects, and it comes ready to start making jewelry immediately.